month's box is taking us back all the way to the farm, guys. Hang on. There's straw in here, like legit straw. Can you see this? Ooh, I'm so excited. I'm getting a knife. Okay. This is the Paradise Fibers January 2018 box. We're gonna open it. And there's like something falling out of it. Okay. All right. I've heard some, what's the word? Like chatter about it. Oh, because it's upside down. I can open a box, I promise. I've done it before. Oh, okay. So this month's theme is back to basics. Oh wow. So it's kind of a breed sampler. Oh, that's what was falling out. How fun is that? Wow. So this says 4 ounces Targhee top. I'm guessing that's what's in this big bag. Oh gosh. So, and there's like a breed history on here, some project ideas and info about the breed. I have spun Targhee before, but I don't think it was top. I want to say it was roving. That's fun. Check it out. So these I think are all natural. Look at how well that's going in the dye pot. Come on back and see it. All right, and then look at these cute things. 1 ounces, 1 ounce each. You don't say ounces when it's only one. And they're coming in these little, what would you call this? Tube. This is mixed blue face Leicester wool top. Mixed with what? I don't know. Oh, here's my sticker, cute. Can you see? It's not focusing. Cuteness. This one is white eider wool top, which I have never spun. And, oh, you can take these off. That's interesting, okay. Oh, this is unicorn fiber wash, I bet you. This is a cute little burlap bag. I keep these bags, by the way, when they send the fabric bags, and I use them for other stuff. They're really nice. And they're so cute. Here we go. Okay, so, yep, this is a little tiny bottle of unicorn fiber wash. It says 1 ounce. And 100% pure lanolin. 10 grams in this cute little, do you remember the like lip balms that came in these little tins? I can't remember what they were called, but they were like fruit flavored. Okay, this is Grey Cordale. I love me some Cordale. Ooh, wow, that's nice. We're gonna have to do something maybe separate and then spin them together. I don't know. White Cheryl, I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm making that up. Wool top. Wow. That's interesting. This is another breed that I have no experience with. There is a feather in my straw. It's like the chickens were in this straw. This is Black Welsh wool top, which I have spun. This is much softer than what I had in my breed study. That's really nice too. Oh, this is fun. And then gray Norwegian wool top, which I also have never had in my hot little hands, but I really want to see the Scandinavian countries. So we'll just spin this and pretend. Oh, wrong side. Oh my God, I love it. Well, I feel like on the education level, Paradise Fibers has outdone themselves again. I don't know if I can get these back in the tubes, guys. But this is pretty cool. And I'm excited to kind of just spin these and report back on, you know, what I thought. I think I said before, the breed study once before. And I kept like a big book full of notes and everything. So I'll just kind of treat it like that. But anyways, these are really cute packaging and cool. And if you want to give yourself a little present once a month, Paradise Fibers is pretty awesome. See you guys later. Bye.